Hi, I'm Mike from Garage Gurus. Today we're going to talk about water pumps, and we're going to talk about why not all water pumps are created equal. So on the right here, we've got the OE water pump. In the middle here, we've got the Beck Arnley. And here on the left, we've got aftermarket, let's say competitor A. So we look at the Beck Arnley, we can see how it mirrors the OE water pump in fit, form, function, even all the way down to the vane design. So we think about water pumps, we think about coolants, we think about materials. A lot of coolants now are becoming very application specific. So again, the Beck Arnley is going to match the OE. So you're going to see the same life out of the Beck Arnley. Not only in the water pump, but we think, look right down to the gasket, right? Same design, same materials. Although the OE came with a little bit of a packaging defect, where Beck Arnley does package it a little bit differently, so we're probably not going to get some of those defects. But then let's look at competitor A. So we look at the water pump vanes. We see the vanes not same design, not even same material, so who knows how long this is going to last. But now let's look at the gasket. Again, it's got this paper material on it, does not have the OE style material like the Beck Arnley one does, so you're probably going to want to put silicone. God only knows what you're going to put on it. So again, we want to think about water pumps when we're replacing it. These jobs are not fun. We don't want to do it again, so you're going to want to use a part that mirrors the same as OE, all the way down to the type of gasket. For more information about Beck Arnley and the different product lines, visit beckarnley.com. Follow us at garagegurus.tech. My name is Mike. We'll see you next time.